we run bereavement drop-in groups at the hospice in Dorchester, and they're very beneficial to people. People really enjoy coming along, have that sort of peer support, really. We're very well aware that Dorset's a big county, and we are aware that it's quite a long way for people to come. So we're really keen to kind of get out there in the community and bring that support into the community. So we're very lucky that we've got this lovely venue, and the Waffle House has been very kind to allow us to be here the first Wednesday of every month, where we'll have a very relaxed drop-in coffee, a chat with people who really know, really kind of have an understanding of where each other are and the journey people have been on.
So Lyme is at the very far western end of the area that Weldmar supports. So, for example, in my case, my husband was looked after in the community by Weldmar, which was fantastic, and then spent the last week of his life in the hospice in Dorchester. But now, 4 years later, I live in a town where there isn't any provision for people who have been bereaved. And so for people like me who could go into Dorchester and go into the hospice for any of the support sessions that are offered there, it's actually a very long way to go. So to have something out to the rest of the county, which is specifically for people who have been bereaved, feels really important.
Many of our patients and their carers have been looked after by Weldmar for sometimes many months, sometimes less time. But nevertheless, they've had a holistic package of care. So they've had access to complementary therapy or our wellbeing services, our allied health professional teams as well as the expertise from the inpatient unit if we need it. What happens very often, though, when a loved one dies is there isn't always that continuity of care afterwards. Being able to provide a bereavement cafe out here in Lyme Regis is a real exceptional offering, in my opinion. It means that our loved ones can continue to come, be part of Weldmar, but part of Weldmar's offering. It'd also be able to a place where they're able to talk about those who have died, that they love, be able to start that grieving process very often. So I think that being able to do that in a safe space around people who are knowledgeable and experts in that area, in their place that they live, in their local community, and something that mustn't be undervalued.
Death and dying, they are relevant to all of us, and we will all experience bereavement at some point in our lives. We will all die. That is something that most of us are quite good at ignoring as a fact. And so I think having something which enables people who are grieving to talk openly about that, but that also perhaps just helps the community to feel that should they need it, there is a supporting space there for them in the future.
It's tremendous. I think to have, for a number of years, I've really been championing trying to get Weldmar's visibility out here, really, the service that we give to our patients and to their loved ones and to all our community, actually. Access to specialist palliative care should be available to everyone. And I think, being able to see Weldmar out here is such a great joy. I'm deeply proud to work for Weldmar, and to have us in the Waffle House just across the road from our shop is really, really special. So I'm very grateful that we are here.